What the Eichler Fair is all about is this concept of providing an informational fair. It's kind of like a little street party or street fair that a lot of the Eichler neighborhoods have on a regular basis. But I invite my vendors and my subcontractors to come and participate in this. And we this year, here in 2010, we're hosting this event. We'll have 15 vendors plus or minus there. And the whole thrust of it is to provide information, because everybody's got questions, and they don't know who to talk to get the answers. And so by doing this, we can provide people with a foundation of good quality people who can answer their questions. And hopefully, we can, help them through the processes of whatever there is, what dreams they have. It's helping them to really solidify that dream and bring it into reality. So the date is Saturday, May 15th. It's from 12 to 6. It will be at the Mountain View Community Center at the corner of Ringstorff and Central Expressway. So the vendors is I have my, my plumbing subcontractors, my electrical subcontractors. We have window subcontractors, roofing subcontractors, all different types of vendors such as that. Flooring, hopefully plumbing fixtures, all types of things like that. And there's just so many questions out there, because the other thing that's happening a lot now is governmental regulations are changing, and what is it that you can do and can't do? And those are the questions we'll try to address at the event.